Smoothie for stronger knee ligaments and ache-free joints. There are a great number of joints in the human body, but undoubtedly the knees are the most important ones. They support the proper posture of the body and allow us to walk, run, jump, and stand properly. As we age, we are more likely to experience wounds and injuries that can make them loose. In addition, the ligaments and tendons in this area will become less flexible and mobile, and they will lose their lubrication. Although aging is a process that occurs naturally, we need to take some measures in order to strengthen our knees and make them more flexible. This will help us to make quick and sharp movements. Strengthen tendons and ligaments in knee. Today, we have an effective and natural recipe that will help you to strengthen tendons and ligaments in the knee. This natural smoothie is a great source of magnesium, bromelain, vitamin C, and silicon, compounds that possess potent anti-inflammatory properties and have the ability to soothe the pain. Moreover, these important nutrients can provide energy and strength to all systems and parts of your body. Needed ingredients: 1 cup of instant oatmeal, 1 cup, 250 ml, of water, 2 cups of pineapple chunks, sliced, 1,5 oz, 40 gr, of raw honey, 1,5 oz, 40 gr, of crushed almonds, 0,25 oz, 7 gr, of cinnamon, 1 cup of raw natural orange juice. Directions: First, you should cook the oatmeal. Take the pineapple chunks and squeeze the juice from them. Add the cinnamon, almonds, orange, and honey in a blender and blend well. Then, add the oatmeal and the pineapple juice in the blender and blend in order to get a smooth mixture. Once your mixture is ready, add a few ice cubes and blend once again. That is it. Enjoy your smoothie.
Yeah.